Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Subject Chemistry, Grade 8, Chapter number 22, Water, page number 284. Student learning outcomes: covalent bonds, water cycle, oceans, chemical precipitation. Life on Earth depends on water. Without it, we would not be here. The formula of water is H2O. Hydrogen and oxygen atoms are joined by covalent bonds. So here the two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, they bonded to each other with the help of covalent bonds. What is the meaning of covalent bond? Sharing of outermost electron or valence electron. Simple molecular structure, force between its molecules are not very strong. Water freezes at 0 degree Celsius and boils at 100 degree Celsius. Water is liquid at most temperature on Earth. Water cycle. So it's very easy to understand how the waters moves from place to place. So you can see here in the liquid form how it converts into clouds and then again in the form of rain and then snow and precipitation. So first step here is evaporation. Water from sea or the sea water or river water, it move and convert with the help of evaporation, a process it convert into clouds, or you can say that the water vapors form here. Condensation, water from clouds, when it's combined it's become condensed here. When colder, droplets get bigger. So when they will small clouds, they match and combine to each other and they move to a cool place, what happened, they will make a big droplets and it's heavier and fall as rain, or you can say that snow. So in this way water move in the form of a cycle from earth, one place to another, somewhere on the hills, in liquid form in the river, and gaseous form in the clouds. Oceans. Oceans cover 70% of Earth's surface. They make about 97% of world's water. Life started on Earth in ocean about 3 billion years ago. Chemicals in seawater have stayed about the same. You can see here the mass of the salt in 100 gram of seawater in gram. Sodium chloride 23 gram, magnesium chloride 5 gram, sodium sulfate 4, calcium chloride 1, and potassium chloride 0.7. So this is the amount of these kinds of salt in the seawater. Chemical precipitation. These salts entered ocean from rock and land. Dissolved salt carried to sea by rivers. New salt entered the sea. Other salts are deposited on ocean floor as solid, named as chemical precipitation. Oceans also contain dissolved gases from volcanic activity that present inside the sea also, and gases in the air. Oceans play role in carbon cycle, reservoir for carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide can form hydrogen carbonates, ions basically, which are soluble in the seawater. So here you can see this is the carbon dioxide plus water. It's in the gaseous form and it's liquid. So it's a reversible reaction. What happened? Hydrogen ions form and hydrogen carbonate ions formed here. So these hydrogen carbonates ion, again what they do, we also get carbonates ion formed. So here this release one hydrogen ion, and then here carbonate ion also form. These can forms insoluble salt which calcium or magnesium ions in the seawater. So you can see here this calcium ion and carbonate ion, they combine and make calcium carbonate, and same here magnesium with carbonate ion, magnesium carbonate.